Key figures from the ruling bloc, government and the presidential office met this morning to draw up follow-up measures against the recent natural disaster in the southeast of the country and the outbreak of avian influenza. For one, they plan to quickly carry out recovery efforts following last Wednesday's quake in Pohang and contain the bird flu virus before it gets too out of control. Our Kim Min-ji with the details.
Senior lawmakers from the ruling Democratic Party of Korea and top officials from the government and the Blue House agreed Tuesday on the need to ensure the safety of the people and ease their concerns in the wake of the earthquake that hit the southeast of the country last week.
The anxiety and pain of the people was much more serious than reported in the media. It's a concern as aftershocks continue and with the mercury dipping below freezing, especially for families with young children, elderly relatives, pregnant women, or those with test takers.
The government vowed to pour all its efforts into restoration and to secure housing for hundreds of people in Pohang that have been left homeless and are dwelling in temporary shelters. It added it will increase next year's budget allocated to quake-related projects. And following the designation of the city as a special disaster zone, measures to solve people's difficulties will be implemented right away, including supporting health insurance fees and electricity bills. The government said it has also drawn up contingency plans for all possible scenarios, with the country's college entrance exam taking place this Thursday, after already being postponed by a week following last week's quake, adding that students' safety and minimizing their discomfort are a top priority. As for the bird flu outbreak, the government vowed to swiftly carry out disinfection measures so as to contain the virus as well as ease concerns ahead of the Pyeongchang Winter Olympics.
We will take bold measures, even those deemed unnecessary. For a safe Olympics, we've been implementing our AI measures since October. But despite that, considering the recent outbreaks, we will stay even more alert.
The three sides also called on the opposition parties to cooperate in swiftly passing key bills, as well as next year's budget proposal, in order to change the economic paradigm so as to improve the livelihoods of the people, overcome wealth polarization and low growth. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.